Guys, welcome to this lesson. This is all about how to get more sales. Guys, without sales, right, you have no business, you're gonna struggle, and you're gonna have to probably give up your business and go and get a job somewhere. So this is all about how to get more sales, guys, and I'm gonna show you some stuff here. And it's using Google, right? Billions of searches every day are done on Google. So you need to get a piece of this Google pie, and I'm going to show you and share with you some of the best ways to increase your sales on Google. This is not about Facebook. People do not go to Facebook to buy your products or your services, but they do go to Google. Now, this is the biggest problem I see most business owners, and it's the same problem that most of our students had before they came into our Google coaching program, and it's this. Now, think of this as the sales line, okay? So you will probably, like most people, they'll probably launch a website or a business online, and yeah, they might make 1 or 2 sales, they might do 5 or 10 sales, and they end up getting stuck around here, which is normally around the kind of 20 to 50 sales mark, okay? So they're normally stuck about here. But what you want to do is you want to get more sales, right? More customers and more clients. And you want to make that leap from here, right here, where you are doing hundreds of sales every single month or every single day even, depending on what type of business it is. Now, how do you go from there, where you're making a couple of sales, not very happy, and you're stuck here? How do you go from here to here, where you get making the big bucks, you're making lots of money, you're making lots of sales, you're getting lots of customers, lots of clients? And guys, this is what we teach our students inside of our own Google coaching program. And this is where the real smart top 10% of marketeers understand, and they get and they implement. So people go to Google. Now, I'm going to pick some kind of obscure example. Let's say I sell key rings, okay? Don't know why I thought key rings, but key rings, okay? So I'm a business, I sell key rings. People are going to go to Google and they will type in key rings or buy key rings, okay? Now, you are going to see different ads on Google, but here's the magic. Here's where the magic happens to go from little sales to a load of sales, and it is this, guys. You need to understand what it is your customer wants, what their pain point is, understand the why, the big why. Why do they want to buy a key ring? Is it because they want to keep their key safe? Is it because maybe they got locked out of their house because they couldn't find the keys? Maybe their car was stuck on a driveway or in a parking lot because they lost their keys, so they want a key ring. Now, what you need to do is you need to think about your own business and understand your own customers. And we have separate video coming up soon about understanding customer behavior and how that works on Google. But in this example, guys, you want to be targeting people that are typing in keywords into Google. And then once you understand why your customer wants your product or your service, you then put that in your Google ad. Now, by having your pain points and understanding why the customer wants a keyring in an ad, and they start to see these ads, and if let's say in this example, the reason why somebody wants to buy a keyring from me is because they lost their keys to the car, and once it took them hours to get into the car. So you could have something like, lost your keys recently, never get locked out of your home or car again by using our super brilliant key rings, okay? But you get the idea. So what I've done there is I've included the why in my actual Google ad. So what will happen now when this customer who is using keywords to find key rings will go and look at these ads, my ad will instantly stand out from all the other competition. Now, providing I've got a well-optimized website, headlines are right, content's right, images are right, then I can then draw that customer into my website or into my store, and I can then start to make sales. And I can then go from here, making very small 10, 15, 50 sales a month. And then I can go here, which is the big money, right? Where you can make a lot of money because you'll get more sales, you get more clients, you get more customers. Now, I've given you a snapshot of this, right? But there's much more, in all honesty, there's a much more that needs to go into this, like your headline, how you speak, your languaging, everything that needs to go into a successful Google Ads. But the main thing and the main point, guys, I want to try and get over to you is Google is super powerful because people are using it every single day to find products or services. And if you understand this and get the right messaging and to your right customer, you can just explode sale after sale after sale after sale. So that, guys, is some of the magic that we teach our students inside of our Google coaching program. And it's the same magic that's going to take you from 10, 20, 30 sales if you are stuck here. And this is what's going to catapult you into the big sales, guys. So there's some free training around this video somewhere. Go and click the link. Go and watch the webinar, the training, and if you like, you can book a call with me and we can have a nice chat. But yeah, so hopefully you find this interesting. And guys, I will look forward to seeing you on the next video.